emergency response at the touch of a button. The 35mm trigger emergency button is optimized for easy pressing, while the double-click or long-click design prevents false alarms. The B3 has a round LED light that flashes red, green and blue for alerts and reminders. You can change the flash colors for different things, like turning on, low battery, medicine reminders, and so on. The B3 is small, light, and easy to carry. You can stick it or wear it with a rope. It can help you in an emergency and still be handy.